Good morning, students. This is the fourth part of basic inequalities. In previous part, I explained about wavy curve method, how to use wavy curve method, how to solve basic linear inequalities, non-linear inequalities by using wavy curve method, or sometimes called sign scheme method. Okay. Today I am going to explain some more problems based on wavy curve method and also modulus equalities and modulus inequalities. Okay, so now x square plus x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1 are two important expressions, two important quadratic expressions. See here, so we want to know the nature of any quadratic expression, try to make it into perfect square. Okay, so here x square plus I want make into perfect square means I want convert in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x whole square, a square plus 2 into a means x, b. So x is there 2x, just I multiplied and divided with 2. So x square plus x, okay, plus 1, x square plus 2x into 1 by 2, a square plus 2ab plus b square I want, 1 by 4 I want, added and subtracted, plus 1. So this is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1, 4 LCM plus 3 by 4. Observe here, this expression is always greater than or equal to 3 by 4. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square means this non-negative number, non-negative, it may be 0 or greater than 0. When it is 0 means x equal to minus half. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 0. Other than that, total value is more than 0. So the total addition, total value is 3 by 4 plus 0 or 3 by 4 plus 0 plus. Means what is the meaning of this? This total value is always greater than or equal to 3 by 4. So minimum value of this expression is 3 by 4. Maximum we can't find. When we will get the minimum value means when this bracket becomes 0, x equal minus half. So in other words I can write x square plus x plus 1 is belongs to closed 3 by 4 to infinity. Understood? So minimum value is 3 by 4, maximum can't. It's always positive. That is correct word. Always positive. X square plus x plus 1 is always positive. The minimum value is 3 by 4, no? Therefore, x square plus x plus 1 is positive quantity for every x belongs to R. Similarly, this one also. X square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So, x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. Same argument. This is always greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, x square minus x plus 1 belongs to closed 3 by 4 to infinity. Again, x square minus x plus 1 is always positive for every x belongs to R. Why I am explaining this? For example, some problems given like this: x square plus x plus 1 into x minus 6 square by x plus 3 is lesser than 0. We want to solve. Okay, so we want to solve this inequality by using sign scheme method. Just we can remove this factor. Because already you know that x square plus x is always greater than 0, so it is not affected for the solution of the problem. Okay, just it is enough to find the solution of x minus 6 whole square for example, r equal to given no problem by x plus 3 lesser than or equal to 0. Okay, just now I want to use a sign scheme. So minus 3, 6 plus or minus depend upon x minus 6 exponent, even, sign again plus. Here odd minus, we want lesser than or equal to 0, lesser. So 6 satisfies, 3 won't satisfies, negative symbols you want, these are the negative symbols. Therefore what is the solution, Anna? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 open. Okay, so one 6 is missing here, union set bracket 6. This is the solution of that problem. Okay, for example another problem is given like this: x minus 2 by 3 minus x is lesser than 0. We can use sign scheme method, but all the linear factors x coefficient should be positive. Here x coefficient is positive only, but here negative. So I want make it into positive. Observe here what I am doing here. X minus 2 by minus is taken common, x minus 3 is less than 0. Okay, so you can write this minus symbol numerator, denominator, that is not a big problem. So minus of x minus 2 by x minus 3 less than 0. Now I want to multiply minus on either side. Automatically inequality will alter. X minus 2 by x minus 3 now greater than 0. Just using sign scheme you can find a solution. Okay, 0 of this is 1 is 2, another 3 plus minus all are having odd powers. So I want greater means positive symbols. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity is the solution of that problem. Student, here 4 more problems based on same concept. So I want to solve this. Okay, so first one 8x square plus 16x minus 51 by 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 minus 3 is greater than 0. You know the procedure to use wavy curve method. Right hand side of inequality should be 0. So 8x square plus 16x minus 51 minus 3 times. I am taking LCM here. This is the LCM. I will write here. Directly I want to write here. That is 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 by 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 is greater than 0. Okay, 3 to the 6x square minus 6x square plus 8x square 2x square. Yeah, 8x this is plus 5x minus 15x plus x. Okay, here minus 12 plus 36 minus 51. 36 4 5 15 that is minus 15 by 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 is greater than 0. Now you want to factorize the numerator. 30 factors, one should get 30 means 6 5s are. Okay, I want factors here. 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. 2x is taken common. Here x plus 3 minus 5 taken common. X plus 3. So numerator is nothing but x plus 3 into 2x minus 5 by 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 greater than 0. Now easy. Just we need to use sign scheme. Critical points minus 3, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 4. Any one of them won't satisfy because only greater than symbol is there. No? So that's why minus 4 here. After that minus 3. After that 3 by 2. After that 5 by 2. Plus minus because all are odd powers. We want greater symbols. So I can write my solution. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 4 open, union minus 3 to 3 by 2, union open 5 to 5 by 2 infinity. Okay students, next problem, find the positive integer x so that this expression is lesser than or equal to 0. Just we need to solve first of all. X square 3x minus 4 cube x minus 4 by x minus 5 power 5 into 2x minus 7 power 6 lesser than or equal to 0. First critical points 0, 4 by 3, 4, 5, 7 by 2. R equal to is there, R equal to means 4 by 3 solution, 4 is a solution, 0 is a solution, but these two are not solutions of the given inequation. Okay, Nana. So now I want to use number line. I want to plot all in order. First of all, 0 first. After that 4 by 3 means 1 point. Yeah, 4 by 3 next. Next 7 by 2. Next 7 by 2, 3 point, that one, okay. 7 by 2 means 3 point. After that 4 and 5. So now as the procedure, right hand side of 5 should write plus x minus 5 exponent odd minus 4 odd plus 7 by 2 even, take care, this is plus 4 by 3 odd minus even minus. But what do you want, Nana? You want lesser than or equal to 0? Lesser than 0 means negative symbols you want. These are the negative symbols. Here 0 is solution, tick circle. Yeah, 4 by 3 solution, thick circle. Yeah, next 7 by 2 not a solution, open circle. 5 not a solution, open circle. 4 is thick circle. So now I want identify negative numbers. So x belongs to minus infinity to 4 by 3. Close union. Again negative 4 to 5 negative. Closed 4 to open 5. So now I want to identify number of positive integers. Actually the question is find the number of positive integers. No, positive integers should I identify. 0 to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means what, Nana? 1 point something. 1 point something means 1 is only the positive integer in between minus infinity to 4 by 3. One solution. 4 to 5 no integer between 4 to 5. Several real numbers but no integer. Therefore only one positive integer. That is x is equal to 1. So the question is find number means I can say that only 1. What is the value? Also 1 only. Next problems, fourth problem, 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x plus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Just when you take LCM. X minus 2 into x plus 2. Here x of x plus 2 minus here x minus 2 into x plus 2. Here 2 into x minus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. So now I want to simplify x square plus 2x. Yeah, minus x square plus 2x means minus 2x. Yeah, minus 2, directly x square minus 4, that one. X square minus 4 means directly x square plus 4 I can write. A plus b minus b, x square minus 4, okay. Yeah, here minus 2x square minus 2x, that is plus 4x. So what happened, Nana? Here this x square cancelled. Minus, sorry, something should write, no? Okay, wait. By x minus 2 into x plus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Okay, minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 6x. Yeah, plus 4. Okay, plus 4 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Here I want to take minus 2 common. So x square minus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Okay, student, now I want multiply minus 2 on the side. Inequality will alter. Then x square minus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now we want factorize numerator. Okay, yeah, I think directly can't because delta is less than 0. We want to use concept of perfect square. So I am using here x whole square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 I can write this one plus 9 by 4 added, 9 by 4 subtracted minus 2 or x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 4 2 are 17 by 4. 17 by 4. This can be written as x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 17 by 2 whole square you can write. So that is nothing but a square minus b square, a plus b to a minus b, x minus 3 by 2 plus root 17 by 2. into x minus 3 by 2 minus root 17 by 2. So I will write x, I will take minus common on here, minus of 3 by 2 minus root 17 by 2. This is first bracket. Second bracket is x minus of 3 by 2 plus root 17 by 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 2, actual problem greater than or equal to 0. Now you want flat those critical points on the number line. Yeah, minus 2 here, 0 here, 2 here. These are not solutions, open circles. But these two critical points are solutions only. We want to identify 3 by 2. Yeah, interesting one is 3 plus root 17 by 2. Root 17 means 4 point something. 4 point something plus 7 point something. 7 point something by 2 means 3 point something. Somewhere here only. 3 plus root 17 by 2. So what is this, Nana? 3 minus root 17 by 2. 3 minus 4 point minus negative number. Wait. 3 minus 4 point something by 2. That is minus 1 point something by 2. Yeah, minus 1 point something means what? Minus 0 point something. Minus 0 point something means I think somewhere here. Okay, so I can write here 3 by 2 minus root over 17 by 2. So this is a thick circle. This is also thick circle. So symbols. Odd power, odd power, odd power, odd power, odd power. Just directly I am writing minus. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means positive symbols you want. This area you want. This area you want. This area you want. So I want to write solution now. X belongs to open minus 2 to closed 3 minus root 17 by 2 closed. Union open 0 to open 2. Union closed 3 plus root 17 by 2 to infinity. So this is the solution of the problem. Student, this is important for us. Modulus of a real number or absolute value of a real number. First of all, I want to write definition. Listen. The modulus of real x is denoted by this symbol and defined by modulus of x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0. Modulus of x equal to minus x if x less than 0. This is the definition. X is any real number, then its modulus or absolute value denoted by this symbol and defined as mod x equal to x for x greater than or equal to 0, mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. So I want to explain the definition or the use of the definition. Geometrical meaning of modulus of a real number. That is important actually. Okay. First of all, I want to write what is the geometrical meaning. By using geometrical meaning only this algebraic definition is derived. Okay. See, I am writing mod x means distance from origin to real x on the number line. On the number line means coordinate plane means you can say that x axis. Just I can say that number line. On the number line. Actually this is the definition. Mod x means distance from origin to real x on the number line. Okay. I will show you. See here. This is a real number line. Okay. This is origin. We want mod of 2, for example. According to this definition, distance from origin to 2. Distance from origin to 2. Origin to 2 units. I can say 2 units. modulus of minus 3 given. For example, modulus of minus 3. According to definition, distance from origin to minus 3. Distance from origin to minus 3. How many units? 3 units. I can say 3. Okay. So modulus of minus 7 by 2. Modulus of minus 7 by 2. Distance from origin to minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 somewhere here. Minus 3 point something here. Somewhere here. Origin to that point. Distance is 3 minus 3.5. I can say 3.5. Distance is 3.5. Means mod of minus 1 by 2 3.5. Okay. So modulus of 0. Distance from origin to origin. 0 only. So modulus of 0 0. So this is the actual definition of modulus of a real number. Mod x means distance from origin to real x on the number line or on x-axis. So based on this only, this algebraic definition is derived. Now I want to explain. Mod x equal x if x greater than or equal to 0. Mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. So what is the meaning of this? Modulus of any real number, whatever inside 2 minus whatever inside, outside is non-negative integer. 2, 3.5, 3, 0. Whatever inside, outside is non-negative real number. So won't get negative real number, non-negative real number. Distance won't be negative. Means there is no x, so that mod x equal to minus 2. Wrong. Such a number I can't identify in the real number line. The distance from origin to x equal to minus 2. Distance won't be negative. Distance may be 0. That's why. So whatever may be your input, the output is non-negative real number. So by using this definition only, the algebraical definition is given. So modulus of x is x if x greater than or equal to 0. Modulus of x equal to minus x if x less than 0. Observe here. What it's saying that modulus of x equal to same x. Same. What is there inside modulus? That is same when your x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. If your x, what is there in the inside the modulus? If the number is negative, this number is negative. This number is negative. Same x with negative symbol. Same x negative symbol when your inside one is negative. Means modulus of 2 given. Modulus of 2 means instead of x I have 2. 2 gives 2 because 2 greater than or equal to 0. That's why mod of 2 I can write 2 only. Okay. Mod of minus 3 I want. Mod of minus 3. So instead of x what I have? Minus 3. Negative number. Negative means this rule you want to use. If x is negative, your output is not x. Your output is minus x. Minus of this. So that is minus of this. This means here minus 3. Minus of minus 3, that is equal to 3. That's why mod of minus 3 equal to 3. Understood? To get the output as a non-negative number, this definition is given. So don't think that modulus is negative sir, output is negative sir. This is not correct. This is not negative. Already x is lesser than 0. No, lesser than 0 with the negative. Total gives non-negative only. So actual definition is modulus of x means distance from origin to any real number x and the number line. So mod x equal to x, same x output if x greater than or equal to 0. Just like mod of 2, same 2. So same output with negative symbol when x less than 0. Mod of minus 3, same minus 3 with negative symbol because minus 3 less than 0. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. Mod of minus 3 equal to 3. Final conclusion, modulus of x is a non-negative real. So mod x is a non-negative real. Modulus of x is a non-negative real. This is the definition. Okay, student, just now I explained the definition of modulus of any real number. This may be x or minus x, depend upon x. X greater than or equal to 0 x if x less than 0. This is the definition. Important. Okay, now modulus of x minus 2 equal to dash. Modulus of x minus 2 equal to dash. How to open modulus? Do one thing. Feel that this is equal to k, just k. Mod k equal to dash. Mod k. Mod k equal to what? Maybe k or maybe minus k. When it is equal to k means k greater than or equal to 0. When it is equal to minus k means k less than 0 by the definition. Like that. Feel that k. So it may be k or it may be minus k. It may be k or minus k. When k is greater than or equal to 0. When k is less than 0. So now I want to rewrite modulus of x minus 2 equal to x minus 2 when x greater than or equal to 2. This is multiply minus x plus 2 minus x secondary. 2 minus x when x is less than 2. In this way you can open modulus. So mod of x minus 2 given. Mod of x minus 2 equal to dash. Mod of x minus 2 maybe x minus 2 or maybe 2 minus x minus 2. When x minus 2 your x greater than or equal to 2. When 2 minus x your x less than 2. Observe here. Take any value of x greater than or equal to, this is 0 or greater than 0. Take any value of x less than 2, this is positive. That's why mod of x minus 2 is non-negative. So in this way you can open modulus symbol. How to open modulus? That is very important. So finally what happened? Note. Mod x means plus or minus x. Maybe x or minus x. It depends upon your x only. This is note 1. Note 2. Root over x square means mod x. Very important note. Some member will do like this, x square, discount, x, wrong. Wrong concept. Root over x square means mod x. Note 3. Mod x of mod equal to mod x only. Okay, next note 4. What I can write? Okay. Mod of minus x equal to mod x only. Okay. Note 5. Mod of a into b equal to mod a into mod b. Not big problem. Just you can verify. That is not big problem, Nana. Mod a into mod b equal to mod of a into mod of b. No problem. If A positive, B positive, for example, both are positive. AB positive, mod of AB, AB only. A positive, mod of A only. Mod of B only. AB equal to AB, correct. For example, both are negative. A and B are negative. A negative, B negative. Product positive, we will get AB. Negative, mod of minus A, minus A. Again, definition. Mod of x equal to minus x, no? If x less than 0. Okay. A, B negative. Mod of B becomes minus B. Minus A into minus B plus AB, correct. Means what happened? If A and B both are positive or both are negative, we got this result is true. Okay. So take one is positive and is negative. Take A positive, B negative. Take A positive and B negative. So product negative. Product negative means mod of K minus K if K less than 0. Minus of AB, this LHS part equal to. So A positive, no? Mod A. B negative, no, here. Mod of B minus B. Minus AB equal to minus AB only. So all the conditions, in all the conditions, this result is true. Mod of A into B equal to mod A into mod B. In this way, we can prove several things in modulus concept. You can prove yourself. Just A positive, B positive, A negative, B negative, A negative, B positive. Only those cases will arise, no? Plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay, 4 cases will arise. All the 4 cases, if the given statement is true, you can say that it is taken as a property. So, modulus of A into B equal to mod A into mod B. Just now I proved. Similarly, note 6. Mod A by mod B equal to mod A by mod B, provided B not equal to 0. Similar way you can prove, that is not big problem. Mod x means maximum of x comma minus x. Just you can verify by using any example. Mod of 2 you want. Mod of 2 means 2 only. 2 minus 2. Among 2 minus 2 maximum is 2 only, no? Okay. Mod of minus 2 you want. Minus 2. Mod of minus 2. Mod of minus 2 only. Here mod of minus 2 and 2. Among those 2 maximum. That's why mod of x is equal to maximum of x comma minus x. Similarly, note 8. Minus of mod x. That is nothing but minimum, reverse. Minimum of x comma minus x. Not big problem. Now observe here. Just now explain modulus of x means plus or minus x. Okay. For example, find x so that mod of x minus 2 equal to 3. Just simple problem I will take first of all. Mod of x equal to 3. mod of x equal to 3. Mod of x equal to 3 means instead of x you write 3 satisfies, minus 3 satisfies. Then what I can say, 3 and minus 3 both are the solutions. Okay, but how to write the solution? Mod x means plus or minus x equal to 3 means x equal to plus or minus 3. But don't write mod x equal to 3 means directly don't write x equal to plus or minus 3. First of all, first step is plus or minus. Mod x means plus or minus x equal to 3. Okay, equality means no problem. If inequality is there, it will affect. That's why don't write mod x less than 3, for example. Don't write that x equal to less than plus or minus 3. No, become wrong. That's why mod x means plus or minus x equal to 3. So now you can say x equal plus or minus 3. Geometrical meaning of this. Okay, mod x equal 3 means you got x equal plus or minus 3. Okay, but geometrical meaning, the distance from origin to a real number x should be 3. Number line 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. What is saying that distance from origin to x is 3 units. Origin to x is 3 units. 3 units means that your x may be 3 units, your x may be minus 3. That's why mod of x equal 3 means 3 or minus 3. Geometrical meaning is important. Okay, one more example I will write here. Modulus of x minus 2 equal to 4. Generally, you can write solve like this. Mod of x minus 2 equal to 4. X minus 2 equal to plus or minus 4. X minus 2 equal to 4 or x minus 2 equal to minus 4. X equal to 6 or x equal to minus 2. Always while solving equations we need to verify, then only you can say that those are the solutions. 6 satisfied, minus 2 minus, okay, satisfied. So x equal to 6, x equal to minus 2 is the solution of the problem. Geometrical meaning, number line. What is saying that mod of x minus 2 equal to 4? What is the meaning? So you want to find a real number on the number line. The distance from 2 to that real number is 4. The distance from 2 to that real number is 4, not from 0, not from origin. The distance from that real number to 2 should be 4. Okay, observe here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. 2 is starting point for us. 2 is starting point. 2 to a real number, that distance should be 4. 1 unit, 2, 3, 4. Here, your x may be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Your x may be minus 2. That means x may be minus 2 or x may be 6. The geometrical meaning is important than algebraical meaning. Mod of x minus 2 equal to 4 means we want to identify real number x on the number line, so that the distance from 2 to the x should be 4 units. Okay. Next, modulus of x equal to minus 3. Meaningless. Or you can say that there is no value of x which is satisfied by this equation, because this is always non-negative. Non-negative never equal to negative. That's why no real x. No real x. The reason is LHS is non-negative. RHS is negative. Non-negative never equal to negative. That's why there is no x which satisfy mod of x equal to minus 3. Or geometrical also can say that there is no real number x. The distance from origin to x equal to minus 3. Distance concept to be in negatives. Similarly, minus of 2x plus 3 equal to minus 4. There is no x which is satisfied by this equation. The reason is LHS is non-negative, RHS is negative. Yeah, this is important, students. Basic modular equality and inequalities. Type 1, modulus of x equal to a. A belongs to R plus including 0. Okay, so second type, modulus of x, important less than a, where a belongs to R plus. Modulus of x lesser than or equal to a, Here A belongs to R plus union set 0. Modulus of x greater than A is any real number. Modulus of x greater than or equal to A. Here also A is any real number. Basic modular inequalities and equalities. Generally, in basic level, we will solve this type of problems. Mod x equal to A type. Already explained. This is completed. Okay. Now we want. I want complete how to find x with the problem is of the form mod x is less than A. Mod x is lesser than or equal to A. Mod x is greater than A. Mod x is greater than or equal to A. Okay. So one by one, first one completed. I want to write second one. Observe all of you. Mod x is less than A. Okay. What is A here? Positive real number. Mod x non-negative real number. We can square another side. Already explained. A greater than B. Directly can't say that A square is greater than B square. Wrong conclusion. If both are positive, can say. So 3 greater than 2 means 3 square greater than 2 square, correct. But minus 3 is greater than minus 7. So minus 3 square is greater than minus 7 square becomes wrong. Okay. So but here I can square it. No problem. Because already this is positive, this is non-negative. So mod of x whole square is less than A square. I can write this x square lesser than A square. Mod x whole square means x square. Another important property. Remember it. You can write somewhere note. So 10 or something. Mod x whole square equal to x square. So now x square minus A square is lesser than 0. Or x plus A into x minus A is less than 0. Find x. Same concept. Sign scheme or Weyerkorer method. A is positive, no? So here A, here minus A. Plus, minus, plus. Negative symbols I want. This area I want. What I can say? Minus A less than x less than A. Final conclusion, important conclusion. If mod x less than A implies, this implies minus A less than x less than A. Means mod x is less than A means x should be lies between minus A and A, not equal to minus A, not equal to A. Or and sometimes you can write x belongs to open interval minus A to A. Example. Mod x less than 2 given. Directly I can say x lies between minus 2 to 2. Implies x belongs to open interval minus 2 to 2. Students, third one is not big problem for us. Same, no? Both are same. Just included. Equality. Equal. Just equality. So directly I want to write. Mod x lesser than or equal to A means minus A lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to A. X lies between minus A to A, including minus A, including A. Or x belongs to closed minus A to A. This is important. Third one also completed. Okay, one simple problem. So x minus 2 mod lesser than or equal to 3. Find x which is such that mod of x minus 2 lesser than or equal to 3. Just like this is filled as k, mod k lesser than or equal to 3. K belongs to minus 3 to 3 closed interval. Or minus 3 lesser than or equal to x minus 2 lesser than or equal to 3. But here in this area you want x. We don't want x minus 2. Okay. Adding 2 on all the sides, nothing happened in equality. Adding 2. Minus 3 plus 2 lesser than or equal to x minus 2 plus 2 lesser than 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 means what? None other is minus 1. Lesser than or equal to 2 to get cancelled x. Lesser than or equal to 5. Means what is the meaning? X belongs to closed minus 1 to 5. Take any value of x lies between minus 1 to 5 which satisfied this equation. Okay, students, third one also completed. I did one problem, one more problem. Find x so that mod of 3x by 2 lesser than, for example, 7. So how to write steps and how to complete the problem? This is in the form of mod x less than a. Already knew that mod x less than a implies minus a less than x less than a. Means minus 7 less than 1 minus 3x by 2 less than 7. This area you want x. We want find x lies in what interval? 1 by 1 you want remove. Directly you can't remove 1, directly you can't remove 3. First of all you can remove 2. Multiplying 2 on all the sides. Nothing happened to the inequality. 2 is a positive number. Minus 14 less than 1 minus 3x less than 14. 1 I will remove. Subtracting minus. So minus 15 less than minus 3x less than 13. So I want x, I don't want minus x. Minus 3x. Dividing through by minus 3. Inequality will alter. Minus 15 by minus 3 greater than. Minus 3x by minus 3 greater than. 13 by minus 3. So this is 5 greater than. X greater than. Minus 13 by 3. Okay. So in other words you can write minus 13 by 3 less than x less than 5, or x belongs to open interval minus 13 by 3 to open interval 5. So in this way you can solve this type of problems. Okay, another example. This say one example, say this is second example. Okay, modulus of x plus 3 by 2 less than minus 3. Most of the students will start to solve the problem like this. But important model. Actually, there is no x which is satisfied by this equation. Because this is non-negative. Mod means non-negative. Negative. Non-negative never lesser than negative number. Non-negative number never lesser than a negative number. Means no solution. There is no x which is satisfied by mod of x plus 3 by 2 less than minus 3. Understood? Most of the students will make mistakes here. So, LHS is non-negative. RHS is negative. Non-negative never lesser than negative number. We know that non-negative never less than negative number. So there is no real x which satisfied by mod of x plus 3 by 2 less than minus 3. Okay student, two more. Mod x greater than a, where a belongs to r, no, r plus. Okay, mod x greater than or equal to a, where a belongs to r plus union set 0. So what I am deriving results? So all are for positive real or non-negative reals only. Okay. So here mod x greater than a, already provided a positive, means that already this is non-negative, squaring no problem. Mod x square is greater than a square, or x square greater than a square, or x plus a into x minus a greater than 0. Again minus a plus minus plus, positive symbols you want. So what is the meaning of this? Mod of x less than a means, okay, what happened Anna? X less than minus a or x greater than a. So this is important. Mod x greater than a, no? Okay, so mod x greater than a means x less than minus a or x greater than a. This is important. Okay, sometimes you can by using number line you can say that x belongs to minus infinity to minus a open union a to infinity. Both are true, both are same. Okay, means mod x greater than a means directly can say x greater than a or x less than minus a. Or mod x greater than a directly can say that x lies between minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. That is, for example, mod x greater than 2 given. So directly I can say that x greater than 2 or x less than minus 2 or x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. Okay. So yeah, fifth one. Fifth one, modulus of x greater than or equal to directly r equal to only, no, directly right, x greater than or equal to a or x lesser than or equal to minus a, or by number line concept x belongs to minus infinity to minus a closed union closed a to infinity. Okay, now an example problem. Find x so that mod of 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. This model. Okay, what you can write now? 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to 2 or 3x plus 1 lesser than or equal to minus 2. According to definition. So 3x greater than or equal to 1 or 3x lesser than or equal to minus 3. X greater than or equal to 1 by 3 or x lesser than or equal to minus 1. So this is a solution, or sometimes you want to write the solution in set form. So lesser than or equal to minus 1 means minus infinity to minus 1 included. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union closed 1 by 3 to infinity. This is the answer for this problem. So I am concluding, students, mod x equal to a provided a is a non-negative real number. Then I can say x is equal to plus or minus a. Mod x lesser than or equal to a. Here also a is a non-negative real number. Then what I can say? Minus a lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to a, or x belongs to closed to minus a to a. If r equal to is not there, you need to write open interval. Mod x greater than or equal to a. Here also a is a non-negative real number. So what is the meaning of this? X is greater than or equal to a or x lesser than or equal to minus a. By using number line, x belongs to minus infinity to minus a closed union closed a to infinity. So these are the basics. So already we did some problems based on these two. For third one we did only one problem. I want to do one more problem. Okay, Nana. So mod of 1 minus 3x by 2 is less than 7 by 3. Okay, find x. X means real x. 1 minus 3x by 2 less than 7 by 3 or 1 minus 3x by 2 greater than, I think, yeah, greater than, no, you want, no, okay. I want to use this, greater than 3 or less than minus 7 by 3 by the definition. Okay, so what I can say here direct, 1 minus 3x by 2 minus 7 by 3 greater than 0 or 1 minus 3x by 2 plus 7 by 3 less than 0. LCM is 6 here, 3 minus 9x minus 14 by 6 greater than 0 or 3 minus 9x plus 14 by 6 less than 0. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Minus 9x minus 11 is greater than 0. Here what is the meaning here? 17 minus 9x less than 0 or 9x plus 11 less than 0 or 9x is greater than 17 or x greater than 17 by 9. So x less than minus 11 by 9. So we can write answer as therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 11 by 9 open interval union 17 by 9 to infinity. You need to cross check. Okay, this is one problem. So one more problem. Yeah, I'll say this is 1, so this is 2. Solve mod of 1 minus 3x by some 7 is greater than minus 5. Again, students will make mistakes. Simply they will say that stars are no solution, no solution, no solution. Because already we did know previously. So the problem mod of something is less than minus 2. This is non-negative number, this negative number, non-negative number never lesser than negative number. So we got here no solution. Using that concept, they will say that no solution. Means their answer also again wrong. All real numbers will satisfy. All real x will satisfy. Whatever may be x, this is non-negative. This is negative. Non-negative is always greater than negative only, no? Non-negative number is always greater than negative number only. That's why x is belongs to R. Any real number, write x. Negative or positive, whatever it may be. Modulus is there, no? This is non-negative. 0 or greater than 0. Greater than -5 only. Understood? Therefore, all real numbers will satisfy. Therefore, x belongs to R. You want right reason? LHS is non-negative, RH is negative. Non-negative is always greater than negative. Therefore, all real numbers will satisfy. Okay, students. Yeah, last note here. Mod x greater than 0. I want right solution. What I can say? All real number except 0. If write 0, 0 greater than 0 wrong. Other than 0, statement is true. Mod x greater than or equal to 0, I can say all real numbers. Mod x less than 0, no real number, no real. Mod x lesser than or equal to 0, one real number satisfied, that is 0. X is equal to 0 only. Okay, now observe here. Okay, completed note. Take number line. The R is in here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here -1, here -. So here -2 to 3 between, including -2 and 3, we want to find how many integers are there. 0 to 2, 3. Here 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6. So on this number line, in between -2 to 3, we want to identify how many integers are there. Just counting only, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But logically, I want count. 0 to 3, 3. 0 to 2 plus 0. I can say 3 minus half minus 2 plus 1. 3 minus half minus 2 plus 1. Integers are there between -2 to 3, including -2 and including 3. See here, 3 minus half plus 2, total 6 only, no? So logical counting is important. How many integers are there between -2 to -2 to 3, including -2 and 3. So how can you write directly, logically? 3 minus half minus 2 plus 1 means for 0. So see, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So based on this concept, we want to solve this problem. Find the values of k so that mod of x plus 3 lesser than or equal to k has 25 integral solutions. Observe here, mod of x plus 3 lesser than or k. So minus k lesser than or equal to x plus 3 lesser than or equal to k, with the definition of mod x less than or equal to a. So subtracting 3 minus k minus 3 lesser than x lesser than or equal to k minus 3. So what happened, Anna? Here x should be an integer. How many integers you want? 25 integers you want. Means what happened? This minus this plus 1 should be equal to 25 by using this concept. Okay. So according to the problem, k minus 3 minus of this plus 1 equal to 25. So k minus 3 plus k plus 3 equal to 24. 3 get cancelled. 2k equal to 24. K equal to 12. If you take k equal to 12, then we will get 24 integral solutions for this problem.